Friday, the 15th of June, 2026, Southeast governors and leaders to endorse Tinubu as their presidential candidate come 2027. As a matter of fact, they will do that today at Abakaliki. Today, yeah. At Abakaliki. All of them. All the Southeast governors and the leaders. My question is, I'm not against that. I'm not against that. Everybody have their own concern and their own lives to live. I'm not here to dictate for anybody. But the question is why? Why are they the first region to endorse this thing? Why are they the first region to dissociate themselves from Peter Obi? Why are the East? Why are the Igbos the first to always cast aspersions and vituperations on the man Peter Obi? Why always Igbo people? Peter Obi said crime needs to stop. Peter Obi said we will not condone criminality. Peter Obi said Nigeria must work. Peter Obi said things must be in order. The rule of law must work. Terrorism must stop. People should sleep with their two eyes closed. Our economy must be okay. Things must work. We stand for the good things every country that really want to thrive is looking for. As against the one that said terrorism must thrive, Nigerians should be dying every day, and there should be no road, there should be no water, there should be no electricity. In fact, Nigeria should be a dead country. Those are the one. That is the one the Southeast governors say, yeah, we are endorsing that very one. As against our son, who is supposed to be at the Guinness Book of Record. No politician in Nigeria as it stands today can be compared to Peter Obi. That politician is not born, is not alive today. A man that refused a life pension, a man that refused plots of land, a man that refused houses in Abuja, as he served only 8 years. People have been in civil service for more than 30 years. Those are the people that deserve those things, not him that served only 8 years. And every governor in Nigeria is against him because he set a pace that they could not follow. He set a standard that is very difficult for them to follow because he's not your regular politician. Today, every politician in the Southeast and leaders hate Peter Obi with passion because of their quests for wealth. Their quest for wealth, they didn't work for. They are career politicians. Peter Obi is not. So today, Peter Obi is their greatest enemy. Why will it be Peter Obi? From Umahi to Soludo, from Webonyi to any other person that calls himself an Igbo leader or a politician or a governor in eastern Nigeria. But the question is, it's just one vote that they have. Yes, all of them, they whole governors have one vote each. I still remember Umahi's statement in 2023 that even his own family is obedient, or was obedient then. That is, his family voted for Obi. He said because in his house, that's what they were singing, obedient, obedient. I mean Umahi. Yes. He said it in 2023. So, you see, even in their families, they know the right thing. That means because they cannot be tailored on what to do on the election day, the governors can only vote to Tinubu. Their families will vote to the right person because they know. And Nigerians and Igbo people at large will shame them because they've thrown challenge to Igbo people, and Igbo people answer them. I love them for that. When they see challenges like this, they will answer you. They will sing a song you will not understand. They will tell you that you cannot control us. Ikemba Ojukwu, before Ikemba Ojukwu declared war, he asked them because he understood the way Igbo people think. He asked them, are you sure that you want us to do this? They said, yes, declare war. And they were with him all through until saboteurs started doing their things. Today, those saboteurs are still here. Those saboteurs are still prevalent in eastern Nigeria. They are the ones destroying the East. I'm not here to talk about the region, but why I'm really hammering on that is, why will it be them? Why are they the first to endorse Tinubu? Why are they the first region in Nigeria to endorse Tinubu as their presidential candidate? Sometimes I wonder what Tinubu really gave these guys that made them not to understand what is going on in Nigeria. Or they understand, but because of their hatred for Peter Obi, they pretend not to understand that he's still the candidate, the right candidate. The right candidate every human in Nigeria is looking for. But it's not a challenge to Igbo people to make a very sound statement in 2027 to their so-called ruiners. Yes, to their so-called ruiners. You will hear the sound, and it will be very, very loud. You will hear it.